Hi, I'm Vasco. Thank you very much for watching my arrangement of Changes by Tupac. If you need a little bit of help learning this, check out the link in the description on my website where I have a step-by-step tutorial explaining all the little moves that I'm doing to make it easier to play, which finger where, what strum where, all this in detail. As well, we have printable tabs and interactive tabs, which are great for practicing at slow levels in time with metronome and then little by little speeding up. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, check out the link in the description. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.